Good morning, everyone. It's class number 13th for KIT Iizuka, English 4 C, Thursday, second period. Okay, not too much that's new or special today. Basically the same things that you would expect. You have your homework answers from last week, the last class that we did in the last week. And you have your homework submission for this week. So that's pretty normal. The one thing that you have that's new is you have your second email writing quiz. Now, there's no description for this. And the reason why is because as a quiz, there's only one place that I can write things. And where I write things is there's a really big image in here that you have to read. And then after you read both the assignment instructions here and the assignment instructions here, then I want you to view all the, I want you to make your submission yourself. Okay. So that is the email writing quiz, and that is due, okay, on Thursday, January 20th. Okay. So that will be basically 1 week from today. You have time if you really have a question, you can talk to me in class next week on Thursday morning, but you have to get this in by 11 p.m. next Thursday. Okay, well, not too much that you have to do. Let me go back. Just want to remind you that the test is coming up, okay, January 27th. So really, we have only 2 more weeks until the test. We have 1 more class next week. If you have any final, pardon me, any final questions for the test, then you'll have next week to ask me about it. Otherwise, right after that, it'll be the final test. And I hope to be able to give you more insight into the test by January 20th. If nothing else, maybe give you a practice test then as well, too. The final class, February 10th, class number 16th. If I ask you to come and see me because you need a little extra work to be able to do, to get your grade for this class, then I might call you in. Otherwise, if I don't call you specifically, then February 10th is not a class that you need to attend. That class is only for people who have been called especially to join that class. Anyway, we'll have more time to discuss that as we go through, especially next week, January 20th. If you have any questions, you can always email me at my email, jdmcarouse@gmail.com. Otherwise, you can talk to me here in class after we finished all the exercises. Okay, thanks very much.